Hey, what's up guys, I'm here from Mr. Tech. Before starting the video, I need to ask you a question. What are the smartphone operating system that you know? Comment below. I think many of people knows Android and iOS because they are the popular smartphone operating system. But except this, there is many smartphone operating systems out there. But today we are going to talk about an interesting smartphone operating system called Calyx OS. Calyx OS is a smartphone operating system that created to protect you from internet. We all are using lots and lots of apps and programs in our everyday life. We don't know how much of our personal data have been leaked. We don't know how much of our activities are tracked. When you are installing an application and giving permissions to it means your data got tracked. So your every activity of your mobile have been tracked. So who knows? Somebody can see you by using your mobile camera. Many of stuff like that will happen. So to protect you from all of these things, the Calyx OS comes in. So the Calyx OS is like controlling your privacy by your hands. So you can able to control every single data that you are giving and every single data that the device processes. And it contains a software called Micro G. It helps you to access Google apps like Google, YouTube, Chrome. The interesting thing about this Calyx OS is you can able to use Google applications like YouTube, Chrome without signing it. In our normal smartphones, if we want to use our Google or if we want to use YouTube means we need to sign in with a Gmail account. But in Calyx OS, you don't want any email accounts to sign in with it. So you can just normally use it. So that helps you to save yourself by giving your data. And it has two app stores to download and install apps. One is F-Droid and another one is Aurora. So F-Droid is an open source app store that helps you to download and install apps from it, and it is safe and secure to use. So and Aurora store is same like Play Store, but instead of Aurora acts like a middleman that if you want app means Aurora will request the app from the owner and gives the app. So the owner only sees the random mail ID that created by Aurora. So you don't want to use your original ID to get the application, and it has built-in firewall to protect your data, and you can able to control every single background apps that running your mobile. This was a interesting feature. In our normal mobiles like this, if you are only using WhatsApp but your mobile using lots and lots of different applications in the background of the mobile, so you don't know what are the applications that running in the background. But in Calyx OS, you can able to control every single background apps that running, and also you can able to control the internet access for every application. And it has a permanent active free VPN that helps you to make your internet traffic safe and secure. And for dialing an SMS, instead of normal app, it gives Signal app that is end-to-end encrypted for the conversation and the calls. For Google Chrome, it has Chromium browser. So Chromium browser is same like Chrome. Compared to Chrome, Chromium is safe and secure. And it also have Google Maps and Google Drive. So for Google Maps, OpenStreetMaps, and for Google Drive, it has Seed Wallet that helps you to backup your data from the mobile. So what do you think about this Calyx OS? It is better than Android or not? So comment below your thoughts about this Calyx OS. And I want to try the Calyx OS, but Calyx OS is available for some certain mobile models. Like, so these are the some certain mobile models that supports Calyx OS. I don't have any of these mobile models, so I can't able to use Calyx OS by my own. So that's about this video. Hope this video is informative to you. Got questions, ask some comments, I will reply it for you. Like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified. Okay guys, I will catch you in another exciting video. Until then, signing off from Mr. Tech.